guys, it's me, Kayla, and today I've made slime. So if you guys are wondering, where's the slime? Whoa! And I've not made it. Then what are these? With stuff in. Slime. Yeah, I know. So first I don't know. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do which one I should show you first. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a babe by its toe. If it hurts, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. My mom said you are the fairy queen. Okay, wait. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a babe by its toe. If it hurts, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. My mom said you are the fairy queen. So, it's my pink one. Let's close the door. So guys, I'm going to be showing you my pink one. So, let's open it up. Oh, okay, now I'm going to be showing you my blue one, not purple. So my blue one. The blue one's better. And I'll be telling you when I made it. This one's nice than you. It's got glitter in. Okay, so guys, I'll be showing you when they were made now. The blue one's better, by the way. So guys, I got this pink one. I made it 2 days after my birthday. And this one that I made today. So yeah. And guys, I've got loads of money. I'm rich. I'm rich. Just me and my family. I'm the only person in my family that's rich. I've got all of this money. And I've got loads of my birthday money downstairs. And I've got my spends downstairs too. So, that's that. Let's get a rose back. So yeah, bye guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you did, smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.